What was a Roman castrum and its military purpose? Imagine a place built with precision and purpose, designed to protect an empire stretching across continents. That's what a Roman castrum was. These were military camps or forts constructed by Roman soldiers to house and organize troops. They played a vital role along the borders of the Roman Empire, especially in frontier regions where threats from outside forces were constant. The word castrum comes from Latin and simply means camp. These camps weren't just temporary shelters. They were carefully planned strongholds meant to defend Roman territory and support military campaigns. Roman castra were built with a standard layout that made them easy to defend and efficient to use. Most were either rectangular or square, with thick walls made of wood or stone. These walls were often surrounded by a ditch to make attacking harder. Sometimes, a rampart was added for extra protection. Inside, the camp was divided into sections by main roads. The most important roads were the Via Principalis, which ran across the camp, and the Via Praetoria, leading to the commander's headquarters. This layout helped keep everything organized and allowed troops to move quickly when needed. Inside the castrum, there were several key buildings. The Principia was the headquarters where the commanding officer and staff managed military affairs. The Praetorium was the officer's home. Soldiers slept in barracks, which were long, narrow buildings designed to hold many men together. There were also storehouses for food and weapons, workshops for repairing equipment, stables for horses, and sometimes a hospital for the sick and injured. These facilities made the camp a mini fortress and a hub of military activity. A Roman castrum was more than just a place for soldiers to rest. It was a training ground where soldiers practiced drills, maintained their weapons, and prepared for future campaigns. The camp also served as a base for patrols and quick responses to threats along the frontier. Because of their strategic locations, these camps helped the Roman army project power, respond rapidly to invasions, and keep control over conquered lands. Over time, many of these camps grew into permanent settlements, with civilians living nearby and trade developing around the military presence. Some of these settlements eventually turned into cities, shaping the growth of the empire. The design of a castrum reflected Roman values of order, discipline, and readiness. Every part had a purpose, and the layout made it easy to move troops and supplies efficiently. This system was key to Rome's ability to control vast territories and respond swiftly to threats. In the end, a Roman castrum was a fortified base that protected the empire's frontiers, kept order in conquered lands, and supported the expansion of Roman power. It was a cornerstone of Roman military strength and a symbol of their organized approach to frontier defense.